My camera was doing this wonky thing where it was taking pictures while we were going. This shirt is gonna be a little challenging. I might have to change the outfit. Alrighty. One little outfit change later and we're back. Cool. Hello guys, what's up? Happy Saturday, because I'm actually uploading this a day late. It is approaching the end of winter. The groundhog did see its shadow. New season means new clothing and new adventures. We have a haul for you guys. I have some fun spring break plans. At the start of spring break, I am actually going to Disneyland with Dote, which is like really cool. So I've been shopping for that, and then afterwards I'm gonna be staying in California, and my roommate Taylor and I are going to Palm Springs and Catalina. I got some stuff for spring break, and then the rest of the stuff I just got to spice up like the rest of my winter wardrobe, because lately, I don't know, I've just felt like uninspired and I wanted some stuff that was different. I'm forcing myself to do a try on haul for this, so you're welcome. The first thing I got is something that was actually gifted to me from my mom. She was so nice and got me a little Valentine's Day package, and in it was this jacket. It's by Puma. It says Puma on the back. I wear jackets like this pretty much every day to class just because they're casual and easy to throw on but kind of look like you tried. It's got a bunch of like holes in it. I guess my dad would be laughing at this because he's probably like, Kiara, why would this ever keep you warm? I don't know, but it's cute, so thanks, Mom. So next I went to PacSun and I just got some stuff. This is like mostly spring breaky material. I really like wearing comfortable shorts to places, especially when I'm traveling because I'm constantly running around. So I got these from PacSun. They're just striped blue and white. They've got like a little elastic on the top, and I thought they would just be cute with like a little white shirt, maybe this, I don't know. Also in the short section from PacSun, I got these, which are some olive green high-waisted shorts. They've got kind of like an army look to them with the wide pockets sort of deal. They're called the mom short. Lately, my obsession has been with skirts, and specifically the Brandy Melville skirts that are, I don't know, they're cut like this, you know what I'm talking about? They just fit me really well, and I feel like they're very comfortable at the same time. So I got this one in this really fun blue color, and then because I couldn't resist, I got the same exact skirt in this color. I got a shirt to go with that skirt, which has these three little flowers. I don't even know what type of flower this is, so comment down below if you do. I really don't know my flowers and I feel kind of dumb. Someone's probably gonna be like, it's this, and I'm gonna be like, of course. I got two pieces of jewelry from Brandy Melville. I got these rings because I don't have any rings at all. Even if I wanted to wear rings, I couldn't because I don't have any. So I got these. I also got this necklace. Let's zoom it in here. This one is just a really simple silver chain with a little silver hoop. Okay, so that was from PacSun. I'm trying to keep this organized. So then I went a little crazy at Urban. Going to school in Eugene, you really understand what it's like living without an Urban because we don't have a ton of store options. That one thing that you could always go to Urban and rely on finding there, I can't because it's literally 2 hours away. I went home a weekend ago. My mom and I stopped in Urban and we tried on a bunch of stuff. This is what we got. The first thing I got were these pants, and they're velvet pants. They're super high-waisted and then they flare out at the bottom. We saw this shirt at the store and it says, "Are you for real?" And I just thought it was kind of a fun graphic tee, and it looks really good tucked in with these pants. Very 70s, very fun. I picked up these pants, really high-waisted, yellow, black, white plaid pants. Just love these. Thought these would be really fun to wear with my docs. And then to go with that, I got this shirt, which is a different type of yellow, I know, but when I tried it on, it worked with the pants. A little cinching on the side with a bow. This could also be fun for spring break. I don't know, it's actually kind of an intense yellow now that I think about it, but at least it's the duck color, so maybe I can wear it to a football game. I don't know. This little white tee, this is very little when I'm holding it. Some cinching, I don't know, is that like the proper description? I thought this would be really fun for spring and summer. Maybe I'll wear it with one of those skirts that I got. I was looking for a dress to wear in spring break, and I actually found exactly what I was looking for. I got this white dress. It's a halter top dress. It's got a couple buttons on the side. You'll see it in the try on. It's really cute, a linen material, and I have a feeling I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. Now we have one more store to show you stuff from. So Lulu's reached out to me and they were nice enough to send me some stuff, so I picked out some fun spring break things. First thing I got is this swimsuit. It looks like this. It's a nice red color. It's got a bow in the back with thick straps on the arms. I actually left all my belts at home for some reason, so I have like no belts here. This one's really cool. It's a black suede material, and then it's got like two, I think they're gold, but it looks like silver. It's not like full on Gucci belt vibes because I'm not like trying to. And then I picked up this black bodysuit. This one's really cool. It's got kind of a mock neck. It's almost like a half short sleeves type of thing. More of like my spring breaky vibe. I got this white tank. This is from the Free People Intimate collection, which I always really love because their stuff is so comfortable and stretchy. And I'm also pleasantly surprised with the length of it because I was afraid that it was gonna be really, really cropped, and it's not. We love that. To go with that shirt, I got this skirt. It's from Free People. I literally own this skirt in black. I have it in white. I have olive and jean. I think that's it. So yeah, this is my 5th color in this skirt. I clearly love this style a lot. If you need a good skirt, look no further. And I thought it would be fun for like the Palm Springs kind of desert vibe. And then I also got this jean jacket. This one is by Free People, and it's got a fun distressed kind of like acid wash. I haven't worn a jean jacket in a while, but I'm hoping to bring it back. So let's see if this gets me excited to put it back in my wardrobe. Lately, I've been really into jeans, so much so that I've literally been wearing jeans to class, which is rare for me. It's been kind of fun just to style jeans, and I love high-waisted jeans. So I got these jeans. They're by Levi, and they're kind of, what do they call it? Well, they call it their mom jeans. Clearly, I'm into the mom jean sort of trend here. They look like this. You can see in the try-on haul. I'm not even gonna try to explain the style. It could be an everyday jean with a little bit of pizzazz. That is everything that I got in this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed just kind of like getting some fun inspiration to shop. It's so funny because all my life growing up, I never did anything for spring break. Like my family always traveled during the school year because it was way cheaper. But now that I've been in college, we've been going on spring break because if you're a college student, you understand that 1 week of spring break is literally your godsend. Stay tuned and comment down below if you guys are doing anything fun or if you're just gonna have a relaxing, chill spring break at home, because honestly, sometimes those are my favorite spring breaks. I promise more vlogs are coming soon. My life is just really crazy right now with school and ski team, but I'm going to regionals next week. We're going to Montana. We're gonna race and finish off our season strong. I am literally dead in the middle of my like 2nd round of midterms. We have our work cut out for us, but we're on the grind. We're making it happen, and it would be awesome if you could comment down below some video suggestions of things that you guys want to see on my channel, because I just like pooling, you know, some inspiration. Then I can come back to this video and check it out. Yes, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful, productive day and weekend. Talk to you guys later. Adios. Oh, I gotta film the try on.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk.